Yeah, so this is going to be like my court look. And I really want a bit of recognition, and I'm sure you'd have recognised if we were having a drink in person or something. It's not perfect, but I think it's perfectly imperfect. Like, I think that's pretty fucking cool. And I, like, people really love these earrings, and I never remember that I'm wearing them. They're like, oh, I love your earrings. And I'm like, oh, what are they? Are they the parrots? And they're like, no, they're the, um, and I feel them, and I'm like, oh, I think they're supposed to be peacocks, um, but missing the quintessential peacock thing, which is one way of summarizing my life. Um, and I really don't want to lie here and pose like one of your French girls. Unfortunately, without monkey arms and a selfie stick, I can't really do it properly. And I tried to send you that thing with the ring cam, but the whole thing is like, because in court, I'm not going to be like lounging. I mean, I might do a little bit of like, I might like try to lean on the judge's, well, just the judge or something, but and the thing is, I can't do it like this because then you can't see it. You've got to get the proportions right. Like, there's just no, like the ring cam doesn't quite do it, but I think you'll appreciate what I'm doing here. Let's just try and sort this out. Okay, that's quite good. Yeah, that's quite good. Alright. Right. So I can't see myself, but then I can see myself a bit. Oh my god, I'm doing like crisscross. But anyway, like, I'm not trying to look like a femme fatale. I just sort of, well, it might look like I'm trying to look like a femme fatale, I don't know. But what I like about this dress is that it's not femme fatale. Oh, that's good. I'm glad I did that with my hair. They're not femme fatale colours, right? It's kind of 1970s lesbian pottery colours. And like if I turn up to court and I have to wait for a bit and someone says, oh my god, my baby just threw up its pumpkin and spinach baby food all over me, can someone hold him while I go and clean up? I'm like, that's why I'm here. And at risk of looking too goddamn fucking classy, I realise I should probably put the Pagani label back on and make sure it hangs out the back, because it's quite a good high neck there for the label to hang out if I put my hair up, because I really want to make it look like, because seriously, the only reason I bought this dress from Pagani for $75, it was $99, and the only reason I didn't buy it for $99 is that I had never used Afterpay in a store before, and I was trying to download the app while they were closing, so I just said, look, I'll come back, and I came back the next day with the app downloaded, and it was like 25% off, so I have the $75 Pagani dress that I'm still paying off after a couple of weeks, and because I thought, well, I don't have a lot of court appropriate clothes in my motel. Not since I got rid of the V brand socks, and yeah, I just thought it would be a nice touch to just have a Pagani 75% off label sticking out the back of my neck. Yeah, and I haven't quite figured out what shoes to wear. Like, I do like these big clumpy penny loafers. I actually really do. But weirdly enough, they are not terribly comfortable. I did buy them in Christchurch for some reason that I wasn't entirely sure of, and I do really like them, but they would be comfortable if they're the right size, but actually they're not, and if I run, one of them will fly off. So the other options are red, which I think is maybe not too bad, and that means that if I wear the green socks, and I can wear my parrot earrings and just like surprise them a little bit. Yeah, I didn't really bring with me a lot of like suitable shoes. I bought these, which were like the middle-aged version of some quite killer stilettos I had back in our day. The second hand, I don't know, what does it say, $6. And then I've got these like quite marvellous espadrilles, which are pretty superb, and they would also go very nicely with this dress, but like, I don't know if I want to go like a little bit understated, or if I just want to go full retard, because I've got this I don't know, like, you know, I mean, yeah, and I also, if I have the red shoes, I might just wear this snappy sort of like kind of half bowler hat, half like Panama, and then like, what bag do I carry? I mean, really to be you know, I do like to mix and match patterns a little bit, so I could just sort of carry this fox cup with my maybe a few coins in there, which I can just pretend as my purse, but while I'm waiting I can surreptitiously just pass it around and go, got a dollar. Yeah, any thoughts on my look? The court, the jailbird.